Taslim Khan, and today I am standing here at the Chhatri of Amma Maharaj. It is located on the Kathuratran Road and nearby Jivaji Palace and also in front of MLP College. It is tribute to Royal Dynasty of Scindia and also counts in the heritage place of Gwalior. It is one of the most beautiful and most peaceful place in the Gwalior. So guys, let's go inside and see how beautiful and peaceful place it is. Come. A ticket counter is also present here, from which I have already bought ticket to visit all the place. The beauty of this park starts from here, and so many trees and plants also present here who has been given an artificial look by the harvesting. So guys, 3 temples are present here, one of them behind of me, and it is dedicated to Lord Shiva, and it is made up of pure white marble. One of the 3 temples, this is the second temple and also dedicated to Ram Janaki, and it is made up of pure white marble and looks very beautiful as you can see. And guys, common people are not allowed here to worship because it is an ancestral temple of the Scindia dynasty. Guys, this is the third and last temple which is dedicated to Lord Radha Krishna, and it is also made up of white marble, and it attracts a lot those people who came here to visit it because of so many greeneries and also because of his architecture which is present on this wall. अब तो ठीक है. This Chhatri is built in the memory of Scindia dynasty, and this Chhatri is also dedicated to Jiaji Rao Scindia. This Chhatri is a paragon of architectural excellence, and the walls of this Chhatri have carving of elephant, horse and tiger. This place is very useful for meditation and also for morning walk, and it is spreaded in a large area. And one of the most important thing about it that it is located in the center area of Gwalior. So if you want to come here, if you want to visit here, so you can reach here very easily by any vehicle. So I think no need to think it too much, and just So guys, this place is very amazing, and I hope you also should come here to visit it. And guys, this is my first documentary video, and for that I would like to say thanks myself who gave me this wonderful opportunity. Guys, I hope you will like my video, and thank you so much for watching my video.